So these are my earnings from the last week with the help of these websites, and you can do the same thing, guys, if you just involve yourself. Just choose a website for yourself, or maybe combine both of them, or maybe 3 of them. So what you want to do is on you, but you just have to take action and hit that subscribe button. So this is the first one. It is called PrizeRebel.com, and here you can get a lot of money for yourself. You just have to complete some surveys, you have to watch videos, you can just sign up for 100% free account, earn those points, and get that PayPal cash, okay? There's a lot of cash on this website, so all that you have to do is you have to sign up on this website and just take a look at this, guys. 12 million members and growing. That's a lot of people making money here, guys. And what I like about this website, guys, is that they have existed from 2007, and that only speaks for itself. To live this long and to exist until today, that means something. You can see on Trustpilot they have 3.9 out of 5. That is a pretty good rating, and they have a lot of these good comments here on Trustpilot, so you can be sure that this website actually works. $2.5 million already given out. And apart from money, you can get like PS5, brand new computers, some gift cards, so you can choose for yourself. Of course, the more time you invest in this, the more money you will end up making. That's how it works. Prize Rebel is really good, so you can just involve yourself like all those people and simply make some money for yourself, guys, pretty easily, pretty fast. Just invest your time, no money investment, just your time, guys. Membership is completely free. Prize Rebel gets you money. The next website on the list is called QME.com, and you can see that it is available on the App Store, on Google Play, and on Trustpilot. 4,000 reviews, and they've got 4.4 out of 5. Now tell me how good this one is. A lot of good comments here on Trustpilot for this website as well, so people are using it, people are making money, and you can make the money as well if you use it, of course. So if you use Android device, you don't need this app. If you use iOS device, you can use this app from the App Store, and just take a look at this, guys. 4.6 out of 5. This is a really good rating. On Google Play, they have 1 million downloads. As you can see, that is a pretty high number, and they have a nice rating here, 4.3 out of 5. It's a really good app, is really nice looking as well, and trust me, guys, a lot of money is on this website. You can get a lot of money for yourself on your phone as well if you just involve yourself. So what you want to do, you just want to make yourself an account. That's going to be pretty quick, and then you can earn cash by completing surveys anytime, anywhere. This works all around the world, guys. Doesn't matter where you live. You can do these surveys, cashback deals, and you can take surveys while you commute. All you need is a verified PayPal address. You can earn during your downtime. You can earn while you study. So let's get started. Make yourself an account here, guys. It's going to be pretty quick, pretty easy, and start getting that money for yourself, guys. Your time is going to be worthwhile. Now there's also this website which is called Swagbucks. You earn points. You shop online, you play video games, you search the web, you answer surveys, you get the money. And you can get a lot of money here, guys. Just take a look at this on Trustpilot. They have crazy amount of reviews, 28,000 reviews, 4.3 out of 5. This website gives you money. You can see that there is a lot of satisfied people here in the comment section. They really like Swagbucks, and why wouldn't they like Swagbucks? Because they get those bucks, and they get a lot of bucks. You can do this as well. You can just go and make yourself an account, and then what you have to do, guys, is you just have to complete these micro tasks. The more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get, because nothing is gonna come on its own, guys. You have to go and search the web, you have to go and watch the videos, answer surveys, and let's be honest, guys, this is not some kind of a hard work. This is really easy work, and it is profitable, guys. So just go and get it. And if you want to get some crypto, for example, you can just use this website, which is called Quantiply.com. Quantiply on Google Play. Unfortunately, you can't get it on the App Store because there is no app for the iOS devices, but there is a good one for Google Play. 4.4 out of 5. There's a lot of money here as well. You can play games, complete surveys, you can watch videos, you can do whatever you want. You can get a lot of money if you just apply yourself here, guys. And of course, hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. Now, this one pays a lot. Just take a look at this, guys. 4.1 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and there are a lot of these good reviews and comments on Trustpilot, guys. Trust me, this is working. This is really getting you loads of money. You just have to take some action, and the money is yours. Just take a look at this, over $12 million paid already. You can turn your time into money, you can play games, you can complete surveys, or what the hell, you can just watch some videos, which is my favorite option on this website, guys. But the surveys here on this website are something which is really interesting, guys. Just take a look at this. Earn from $1 to $5 for every online survey that you participate in. Now, $5 is a great money, guys, for surveys. This is a great money. Just take a look at this, guys. If you complete maybe 8 surveys per day, and that's $5, $40 for you. $40, guys, for you just for completing surveys. And if you do that for 30 days in a month, guys, just take a look what happens. $1.2 thousand, and that's all waiting for you, guys. This money is waiting for you. You just have to complete these surveys, and then you can get the money just like these people are doing. 3 million total users, guys. They all get that money. But what I would suggest also is to watch these videos. So let me just show you what this is all about. Go and make yourself an account here, log in quick, and this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. Now, I know it's like kind of confusing and something like that. It has a lot of these colors, but don't you worry about that, guys. As soon as you hit this dashboard, just click here on Earn Coins and just firstly click on Watch Videos, where you can find a lot of these videos and you can get a lot of money for them. Just take a look at this. They have these like partners, okay? They have Playtime, they have Jungle Survey, they have Loot TV, and they have Hideout TV. Now, what you want to do is when you click on Hideout TV, guys, you just want to watch these videos until you drop dead, okay? Just take a look at these videos. You can search for something interesting, or you can just play this in the background and go do something else. So you can just let this video, for example, this one, 7 minutes, 38 seconds, guys, just let it go. You don't have to watch it because no one's gonna ask you what was in this video. You get the money just like that, guys. Just leave this and go make yourself a coffee, go and do whatever you want, guys, and then come back later to see this video done. This is video finished in 7 minutes. It is gonna be dead. And now just click on Hideout TV again and just go and put another one to go. So you don't have to watch the entire video. In fact, you don't have to watch it a bit. You don't have to watch a 1 second of this video. So I suggest that you just go and you just find a video which is really long, okay? So you can just find a video which is like 20-30 minutes long, and then you have 20 minutes for yourself, guys. And of course, the longer the video, the more money you will get on Cointeply, guys. And when you want to withdraw that money, just click here and click on Withdraw Coins. But before that, I just want to show you this one, which is a really cool option. View BTC ads. There's a lot of money in here as well. So all that you have to do on this tab is to go and, for example, watch something for 7 seconds and you will get 8 coins. So for example, just click on this and then you will be redirected to a website which is being promoted. So now what you have to do is you just have to stay here for 7 seconds, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Just stay here for 7 seconds. You don't care what is on this website, just stay for 7 seconds. Then go back and then just validate your click. This is some weird captcha, guys. Click on Mushroom and you will see that it is done. You got that money, so just involve yourself, guys. Do a lot of these and I will catch you later.